Powered by a high-performance and high-power engine, SANY Crawler Hydraulic Excavator is able to produce more powerful driving force with less fuel consumption and reduced noise. The advanced electronically controlled positive flow hydraulic control system of the machine will bring you precise, swift, and more comfortable operation on the basis of higher production. With friendly design, perfect after-sales service system, and lower maintenance costs, we believe that this excavator could be a better hand for you to accomplish your job quickly and effectively at a lower cost. Thank you for purchasing SANY Excavator. Machine service life mostly depends on how well you service your machine. We cannot anticipate every hazardous situation that might occur, but we hope to help you with job safety. Here we take SY215C8S as an example to show you the basic rules for operating and servicing the machine. We do hope this information is helpful for you and can make you a safer excavator operator. We will present the information in 4 major sections: General Introduction, Safety, Operation, and Maintenance. Let's have a look at the excavator as a whole. The work equipment includes the boom, arm, bucket, and cylinders. The upper structure consists of slewing ring, cab, coverings, engine. The undercarriage includes track frame, sprocket, idler, track rollers, carrier rollers, and tracks. Technical specifications. Now let's look at the specifications. The SY215C-8 hydraulic excavator has an overall weight of 20,900 kilograms. It is powered by Mitsubishi engine 6D34-TL, 114 kilowatts, 2,050 RPM. The machine's total length for transportation is 9,395 millimeters. Total width is 2,980 millimeters. And total height is 2,960 millimeters. It is important to read and understand the alert symbols and safety labels on the machine.